Salad Stop have a lot of choices of healthy food, from salad, wrap, protein bowls, to their all-natural smoothies and drinks. Hello mga kagalaeros! Tara G, punta tayo sa Salad Stop in MOA. Tinry namin yung warm protein bowls nila, yobu-yobu with peanut vinaigrette and samyusan rice with spice honey dressing. Fresh yung mga veggies, well-cooked, and tender yung mga meat. Nagustuhan namin, especially yung bulgogi beef. The dressings are really good. The taste really complements. We also tried their smoothies. Not too sweet, medyo nangingibabaw yung lasa ng green sa Green Glow. Favorite namin yung berry grateful, ang refreshing ng lasa. We enjoyed everything that we ordered. It's a bit pricey, pero masarap, and madami naman yung serving. Nakakabusog, pero hindi ganun kabigat sa tiyan. And considering na fresh produce yung ginagamit nila, kaya hindi din nakaka-guilty kasi alam mong healthy yung mga kinakain mo. Goods na goods to para sa amin. Also, the area is clean. The staff are very accommodating. Pati si Kuya Guard ang bait. We would definitely go back to try naman yung ibang nasa menu nila. Kayo mga kagalaeros, anong go-to nyo sa Salad Stop? Hanggang sa susunod na food trip at gala, ingat mga kagalaeros!